Hello, name is Gerry Pronovost. Come from Shawinigan Falls, where the other Prime Minister used to be from, Jean Chrétien. Anyway, I've been in the hobby for, well, hate to say, but maybe 65 years. Anyway, I first started by building a rubber power model, and the enthusiasm towards that has always been that I never get tired of watching a bird flying, an airplane flying. It always amazes me that whatever stays in the air and the weight of the airplane, how it can just float in the air like it was a natural thing to do. So I've been fortunate enough to be able to indulge into free flight first, control line airplane, then I went to radio control airplane, remote control. Also I was able to put two full-size airplanes together. Like I built two ultralight. The first one in 1980, and after 3 years of it, I built a second one, the Kitten J3, and that one gives me the opportunity to be onto one-to-one scale, which was very good. But then, after the challenge is done, you got to go to something else. So I came back to my original fun, which is model airplane. I just love it. Well, the very first model airplane came from, in those days, with two Kellogg cornflakes box top and 50 cents, you can order a model plane in a kit. And I've just kept going on from there on, and I never get tired of it. Well, the number of airplanes would be hard to describe, but I would say as an average I build at least 2 to 3 new airplanes every year. So if you put this over a span of 55 to 60 years that I've been building airplanes, it's easy to understand how many that makes it. Well, flying, you never get tired of it, really. If it's a nice day and, you know, for any reason I can't come out here, I really feel like a bird in a cage. I like to be out. I've always been in the outdoors since my profession or trade was bricklaying and stonemason, so I've always been outside. So inside for me is not at all. I prefer to be here flying airplane, meeting the friends and having a good time. That's what life is all about.